These pictures just into us in those cars are Manchester United's two new signings. They are now at Manchester United's training ground. Both will have medicals today. They're in the building.
Now, the breaking news, and we knew it was happening. Now it has happened.
But we start with this breaking news coming out of Old Trafford this lunchtime. Manchester United are close to agreeing a deal with Atalanta for their Brazilian midfielder Éderson. Talks are in the final stages over a fee in the region of £38 million. Now, sources expect that fee to be broken down into £35 million guaranteed, plus £3 million in further add-ons. Now, a full agreement for the Brazilian, we understand, could be reached by the end of this week.
See you on June the 1st. Don't go to City, man. Don't go to that soulless club. This is a real club.
The latest on that is they still continue to have strong interest in trying to bring a 6 and an 8. Let's talk about the 8 first, and Elliot Anderson pretty much is top of that list. Now, from the Nottingham Forest side and from the player perspective, we understand that he won't be really considering his future until after the World Cup. If it looks very likely as it is, he'll be selected for Thomas Tuchel's side. Why is that? Well, he's part of a relegation fight with Nottingham Forest, so he's incredibly focused on that. But Manchester United, he would be their ideal number 8. We've seen how impressive he has been this season. Whether they can get that over the line this summer after the World Cup, Manchester City also strong contenders for him. From Manchester United's perspective, they're not going to want to lose another player to Manchester City. Antoine Semenyo picked them in January, so that's very interesting to watch.
Manchester United's midfield revolution. Éderson and Elliot Anderson double deal shocks football. Manchester United could be on the verge of completing one of the most exciting midfield rebuilds in recent years as reports continue to link the club with a sensational double move for Atlanta's Éderson and Nottingham Forest midfielder Elliot Anderson. After several disappointing seasons marked by inconsistency, lack of control, and defensive vulnerability in midfield, the Red Devils appear determined to transform the heart of their squad ahead of the new campaign. Éderson has established himself as one of Serie A's most dynamic midfielders, earning widespread praise for his energy, ball-winning ability, tactical intelligence, and composure under pressure. The Brazilian has become a key figure for Atlanta and is viewed as a player capable of bringing balance and physicality to Manchester United's midfield. His ability to break up opposition attacks while driving forward with possession could provide exactly what United have been missing. Alongside Éderson, Nottingham Forest star Elliot Anderson has emerged as another major target. The young midfielder impressed throughout the season with his relentless work rate, technical quality, creativity, and versatility. Anderson's ability to operate in multiple midfield roles has attracted significant attention, with many believing he could become one of the Premier League's standout midfielders in the coming years. A partnership between Éderson and Anderson could completely reshape Manchester United's midfield dynamics. Fans are already imagining a more aggressive, energetic, and balanced team capable of competing at the highest level both domestically and in Europe. Social media has exploded with reactions as supporters discuss how the duo could complement the existing squad and help restore United to the top of English football. While negotiations and transfer discussions continue behind the scenes, excitement is growing among the Manchester United faithful. If both deals are completed, it could mark the beginning of a new era at Old Trafford and send a powerful message to rivals that United are serious about challenging for major trophies once again. Will Manchester United complete this incredible double signing? Stay tuned for all the latest updates as this developing transfer story continues to unfold.